Welcome students, welcome to my channel. Friends, today we are going to write an application to the headmaster or headmistress for a transfer certificate. So let's get started. To the headmaster or headmistress, then write your school name and school address. Here I have given an example, Birati, Kolkata 51. Then we should write subject of the letter, application for transfer certificate. Respected sir or madam, most respectfully I beg to state that I am dash, write your name, a student of class dash, write your class. I have been studying at your reputed institution for the last 7 years. You can write here 5 years, 6 years, 7 years, whatever you like. But now I am extremely sorry to inform you that I cannot continue my studies at your school any longer. Anymore. Now state the reason why you cannot continue your studies. My parents have shifted to dash. Write the name of the place where your parents have shifted to for livelihood. My parents have shifted to dash place for livelihood. Now I need a transfer certificate to get admission into another school there. Now change the paragraph. I therefore request you to kindly issue me a character certificate as early as possible. Thanking you. Yours obediently. Write your name, class, section, roll number, your your address, and finally mention the date. So this was the letter. If you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.